Welcome, my dear students. This video is for class 8. Subject is computer. I'm your computer teacher, Anuradha Gupta, going to revise you chapter 7 through this video. Chapter 7, conditional statements in Java. In this revision, we are going to cover the following topics, and the topics are programming construct, conditional statements used in Java programming like if statement and if else statement. Let's start with the first topic, programming construct. Programming construct means how program executes its statements. Every programming language provides three programming constructs. They are sequence, selection, and iteration. Let's discuss them one by one. First is sequence. Sequence is the construct that means the statements are being simply executed sequentially, which means program executes its statements from beginning to end. Let's have a look one diagram. Here we start our task with the first, then we move on to the next, second task, then third task, and like this up to the last. In sequence execution, program executes its statement from beginning to end. Second is selection. Selection is the construct that means the statements are executed on the basis of given condition. In this, program executes its statement on the basis of condition. Let's understand this with the help of one diagram. Here we have the condition. If condition is true, we execute true block of statement. If condition is false, then false block of statements will execute. This type of execution is known as selection construct. Third is iteration. Iteration is the repetitive construct that means the statements are executed repeatedly. On the basis of condition, we are executing a statement again and again. Let's understand this with the help of diagram. Here we have the condition. If condition is true, we repeat the execution of the statements until condition become false. This type of execution is known as iteration construct. Let's come to our next topic. Next is conditional statement. Just now we have revised what is selection construct. Selection construct where program executes its statements on the basis of condition. That construct is known as conditional statement. Two types of conditional statements are used for selection execution, and they are if statement and if else statement. Let's revise them again. First is if statement. If statement is used to check one condition at a time, and this is a syntax of if statement. If is a keyword. In bracket, we will put the condition. If condition is true, we execute the block. We execute the statement 1. Otherwise, nothing we will perform here. I repeat, how if statement get executed? If condition is true. If condition is true, we program execute the statement 1. Otherwise, program will not perform any task. Let's understand the concept of if statement with the help of one Java program. Here we have taken a program to check whether the given number is odd or even. As you have learned, if statement is used to check only one condition at a time. In this program, we are checking number is even or odd. It means we have to put two if statements. Here we have written that program in BlueJ platform. Here is that program where we are checking number is even or odd. We have declared a variable n and given its value 23. We given the value 23. We put it the if statement and the condition is n mod 2 not equals to 0. You already know the use of mod operator. Mod always give us remainder. When we divide 23 by 2, if our remainder is not equals to 0, it means number is odd. To check number is even, we put it the next condition. If n mod 2 equals to 0, which means when we divide the value of n by 2, if we get the remainder 0, then this condition true and we will get the message the number is even. Let's have a look the output of this program. Here we have given the value of n 23. As this program I already compiled, let's execute it. This is the output. The number is odd because 23, when we divide 23 by 2, we will not get remainder equals to 0. Remainder is not equal to 0. That's why number is odd. Let's check this program again with a different value. This time we will change its value to 20. We have changed the value n to 20. We compiled our program and let's execute it. Void main and just look. As 20 is the even number, so we got the output here, the number is even. After revising the use of if statement, let's come to the second conditional statement, that is if-else statement. In if-else statement, we are using if and it will work for the both part of the condition. If condition is true, then if block will execute, which means statement 1 will execute. If condition is false, then else block will execute, which means statement 2 will execute. I repeat, this is the syntax of if-else statement. Here also we are giving a condition with if. If condition is true, then statement 1 will execute. If condition is false, then statement 2 will execute. Let's revise how to implement if-else statement with Java programming. So here we have taken the Java program to check whether the given year is leap year or not. Let's do this program with the help of BlueJ platform. Here is the program where we are checking a year is leap year or not. We have declared a variable y and we initialized its value 2008. Here we have put it the condition for a leap year y mod 4. which means if year is divisible by 4, when we divide year by 4, if we get the remainder 0, as well as when we divide the year by 100, if we will not get the remainder equals to 0. If both the conditions satisfy, then we will say it is a leap year. Otherwise, we will say not a leap year. Let's execute this program and have a look the output of it. As I already compiled this program, let's check it out, this output. As we have given the year 2008. 2008, when we divide by 4, we will get the remainder 0. And when we divide it by 100, we will not get remainder equals to 0. So that's why year is leap year. Let's check the another condition. This time, we will change the year to 2010. When we divide it by 4, we will not get 0. And when we divide it by 100, then also we will not get the remainder equals to 0. It means this condition goes false. If condition is false, then it execute the else block. It will give the output not a leap year. Let's check it out. Its output. First, we need to compile the program, and then it is ready to get the output. And here is the output of our program, not a leap year. I hope you all got the use of if-else statement in Java programming. Students, keep one thing in the mind. When we are using if condition is true, it will execute the statement. Otherwise, it will not perform anything. If we are using if-else statement, if condition is true, it execute the if block. If condition is false, it will execute the else block. I hope you all revised the complete chapter. Thank you, students, for watching the video.